Go.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. Today, actually, I visit the camp of the Pakistan people, Uyghur people. I heard about the very, very sad story about the Uyghur people. China occupied the East Turkestan, yeah, in 1949, yeah. And very, very sad. The mosques destroyed already. The people in destination in jail, more than 3 million people on the jail, and this
Concentration
is
camp.
yeah, concentration camp, and this is not fair at all, and this is very, very sad. As a human, first of all, and secondly, as a Muslim, we have to support Uyghur people to get their country again, first of all, maybe they just to live as other people in all countries, and this is very, very sad. And we have each of one in the earth should support these people, the Uyghur people, okay, because they are as a victim of the Chinese regime, and this is not fair at all. In Arabic, السلام عليكم. كوني عربي مسلم، أنا أشعر أني أنا مسؤول، أني أنا أدعم إخواننا في إيغور، أولا كإنسان، ثانيا كإنسان مسلم يدعم إخوانه. إيست تركستان الشرقية استعمرت من الصينيين في عام 1949، في ذاك الوقت وهم مظلومين وهم يعانون، واكثر كما قال اخي اكثر من 3 مليون انسان في مخيمات كما سجن. وهذا اكبر دليل على رجل عائلته كامله لم يرهم منذ زمن بعيد في السجون. وكذلك تم تجميع مساجد كثيره جدا جدا جدا. فندعو اخواننا المسلمين في كافه البلدان يدعون اخوانهم الايغوريين على الاقل بالكلام ونشر قضيتهم العادله. اللهم ان شاء الله لا ينفض